Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another video. So I actually recently just moved to Philadelphia, and recently we also just got the bike down here in the garage, which we also have. So I'm gonna go out today, take a little rip on Susie. So let's do it.
Yeah, that's perfect. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to episode 8, I think it is, of the bike build. We got a special guest today, co-star
Cole from Made It Safely Home from Armenia, from the last video feature 2018.
Alright, let's do this. New seat.
Learning my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though. In the gym trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am. She a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground.
Alright guys, so this is how we're looking with the new seat on. It's obviously going to need a more perfected fit because it does stick out a bit. The bottom sticks up, but I need to put the brackets on the back, so that'll basically push this down and make it look pretty sweet. So I'm going to work on that, but pretty happy with how this looks. I'd say it's definitely better than stock.
Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it.